What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose of VT. Happy to bring you another video. If you can't tell by what you're looking at, you are looking at the ROG Ally. It is a handheld gaming device, kind of like how the PSP was, or you got the Allegiant Go, or you got the Steam Deck, the Switch. So basically the same concept is basically what this is. So what separates this from everything prior besides like the Steam Deck and the Allegiant Go is that you can basically do anything. You can game, get on the web, do just about anything that you could do on a PC you can now do on this basically handheld console. So the biggest thing like difference from between like the Switch or anything like that, if you're trying to debate is this worth it or is the Switch worth it, is basically you do a lot more. So this will be a lot more technically bang for your buck. Like you could play Switch games technically on this, or granted you'd have to go down to the internet and download them and all that stuff, but you could do a lot more with this than you could on the Switch. But let's just go around and look at it. So from the sides here, it just has ROG Ally. That's their little symbol there. Same thing on that side. Same thing on that side. On the back, it kind of just gives you some information. If you guys can see that there, it's kind of hard to read, but this is the AMD Z1 Extreme. It has 512 gigabytes. Let's see here. The RAM is 16 gigs. It's DDR5. Has Wi-Fi built in, USB 3.2, and a bunch of other stuff that's usually not too particular. I mean, it has basically battery is 40 watts, which isn't crazy, but still pretty good. But open it up here, nothing comes on top. Shows you everything, like how to plug stuff in, how to turn it on. We'll get this out of the way first. Then you can see everything underneath here. So the biggest thing that this thing will come with is just the charger, USB Type-C, which is nice. Can't take this off or anything. Then you got your charger brick. These don't bend in or bend out or anything. They just stay where they're at, which is good and bad depending on how you look at it. Nothing technically else comes in here. This is like all paperwork stuff, so if you care about this, there it is. I don't really care about it. Put it over there. So looking at the actual unit here, the handheld console, we'll open it all up here if I can get it out. But getting it out here, so you have a nice screen here. Dual joysticks, your 4-ways, then you got like different buttons that are mapping for it, Xbox key numbers, so A, B, Y, X, dual speakers, nothing on the bottom here. On the top, headphone jack, SD card holder. This is where you would charge, or if you wanted to connect to an external dock, you could do that too. Volume up and down, volume or power button, and it also has the fingerprint, so it will remember. Fans right there, joysticks, 2 of them on either side, and on the back you got a nice little joystick, then another fan thing here. So pretty simple. It does have the light up features around this whole console, around the sticks and everything, but pretty simple device when it comes to weight. Not very heavy. It's probably about as heavy as an iPhone, maybe, roughly. iPhone 14 Pro Max, roughly 15 Pro Max. But nothing too crazy. I just wanted to unbox it, show you guys what it looks like. But if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.